Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save video on CapCut PC. So there can be two types of confessions, like how to save the video and how to save the project. Like I will show you both of them. So first of all, let me create a project. So you can see that the project has been created as I have dragged one video here. If you want to just export the video, you have to click on this export button here. Then you have to click export and the video will be exported to this path to your computer. Now if you want to just save this project, this is very simple. You have to just click the cross mark and it will be automatically saved. I will show you the proof. So let me click the cross mark. Here it is. You can see that the project has been saved automatically. If I just click the project, you can see that the project has been saved and it is just where I left. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.